Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Effie and I am back again with another new remote job lead for you, and this remote job is brought to you by Hubstaff Talent and welcome. And so before I just continue, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new remote opportunities, you will be among the first group of people to apply. So let me just take you through the job description. This client needs a virtual assistant, and the description says we are looking for a virtual assistant to help with various online work like research, publishing, customer support, social media posting, and lead generation. If you also have experience from recruitment, it's a plus. The role generally is being a virtual assistant, and the responsibilities assigned: you will be responsible to research, publish, customer support, social media posting, and lead generation. And basically, you will be working for around six hours per day. And this client offers to pay around $3 per hour. So roughly, you'll be earning around 18 dollars per day. So this might sound like a good opportunity to you who is maybe looking for part-time job, or even you're just starting out in this freelancing world. You can grab this opportunity and be sure that you will certainly grow. So I will put the link to this job in the description section so that you can be able to apply as soon as I end this video, just right away. Thank you and all the best. Good luck.